Miss Tracy here with the Louisville Public Library, bringing you another online tutorial on how to use our new virtual winter reading online program. If you participated in our summer reading program this year in 2020, you'll be very familiar with how this works. I tried to keep it running pretty similar so that way it was user-friendly for those of you returning to us. But if you did not participate in summer reading, no worries. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to use our new online system. First of all, our virtual winter reading program runs from December 20th to January 2nd. It is split into two separate programs. There is the children's program, which this year is themed Northern Lights, themed around the Aurora Borealis. And then there is a program for adult and teens, and that theme is the winds of change. Mostly thinking about positive thoughts and positive affirmations going into a new year. I think we all need that right now. As usual with our programs like this, there are incentive challenges to complete. You will be able to pick up a printed copy of these at the main library branch at 700 Lincoln Street in Louisville. Each program, the children's program and the adult teen program, is going to have two reading log challenges. You're going to need to log so many pages read to receive your awards to get towards those prizes. You're going to have two checkout challenges. You're going to need to check out so many items. Now, don't worry if you cannot physically get into the library to check out books. You may use our digital services. Go on louisvillelibrary.org website and you'll have links to Hoopla and Overdrive and our digital services, which are all free to use. All you need is your library card number. There are also going to be two special video challenges to go along with each program. These will be a special craft or activity, and there will be a special grab bag available too. You may stop in at the library to pick up these grab bags to go with these special video programs. But keep in mind, if you cannot make it into the library, that's okay. You don't absolutely have to have the grab bag to complete the challenge. And then you also want to watch for some surprise challenges. Those are mostly publicized on social media, but they will also show up in your online account. I don't create these. Deborah Long, our communications and PR manager, likes to throw these in there, little extra special fun things to do that tie in with the online reading programs, and they are amazing and so much fun, so watch out for those. And keep in mind, as you complete all of your challenges, you get awards given to you in your online account. The more awards you get, the closer you get to winning our prizes, which we'll get to here at the end of the video. Now, to show you how to get into the online program, first you're going to want to visit www.louisvillelibrary.org. That's our website. And then you will want to go to our events calendar, which is right there as soon as you get on the website. You will see View Full Calendar, or there is even another link that says Events Calendar. And when you do get to that calendar, your screen will look like this. And then once you are on this calendar screen, you are going to want to go to the date of December 20th and look for the Winter Reading Online program associated with your age group. They will be labeled Children's and Adult and Teen. And you will click on the link on that calendar spot for your specific program. And when you do click on that link, this screen will come up and it will ask you for registration information, real basic, first, last name, phone number, email, and then also how you would like to receive your notifications. And then to the right of the screen, this is just a test one I created. The true one, when it's live and active online, will have more details. But there will be event details listed on the page with a link to the online program, which is ran through a software called Wandu Reader. And you will click that link to get into creating your user online account. Now this screen here has us in the Wandu Reader software online. And you're going to start out by clicking that link that says join here. The next screen again just takes you through asking you for your information. And if you have participated in any of our programs like this, summer reading or other winter readings in the past, you might get a message saying that you already have an account. That's completely fine. You can try the reset password links it'll give you to get into your account. If you have any problems, don't hesitate to contact the library. We have little magical ways of going in the back door of the program and getting your account reset for you. One thing while you are entering your information to create your account, the very bottom box you will come to will ask for the location. Please use the location online only. This does help us on our end when how we run and manage the online program. We really appreciate it. Once you've created your account, your name will appear at the top. See, my name's at the top, Tracy Phillips. And this is what your home screen will look like. Your home screen has everything all compiled onto one page. Your logging, your reading pages and your books, your challenges, your awards. We are going to go through each of those tabs separately, but you can access everything right from your main home page. The first tab that we will use will be books, and this is where you log your reading. Very simple. They ask you to type in the title of the book and number of pages read, and you submit your log. And as you see on to the right, under My Books, it does keep track of all the pages and books that you have read. Every time you submit a reading log, you get a nice little congratulation box that pops up, and it says that your log has been submitted, and every time you submit, you will receive an award for logging your reading. Now, our online challenges. As I said, there will be challenges to check out books. You will see these in there. We are challenging you to check out 5 items each week of the program. And to complete this challenge, all you have to do, all we ask of you, is just go into the little text box and type in the name of the books that you checked out. And then you will click Complete Challenge. Again, you will be challenged to log reading so many pages. And keep in mind, it doesn't always have to be the same book either. You can be reading 5 different books if you want during this program. That's up to you. Whenever you click on the links for read 100 pages or your reading challenges, they will take you right back to the page we were at previously to log your reading, just so you are aware. Other challenges will be watching the special videos. Now, the special videos are videos we created specifically just for this winter reading program. Like, for instance, there is an Aurora coloring craft for the children. Really awesome. I can't wait for you guys to see that video. There will be a grab bag at the library with some supplies to pick up to go with it. But also in the video, it will tell you all the supplies needed, so that way you can just use items from home if you choose to do that. In the description of these special video programs, there will be a link, and you will click on that link. It will take you to our YouTube page, the library's YouTube page, to be able to watch the special video. And then also in the YouTube videos, in the comments and descriptions, there will be a link that will bring you back to your Wandu Reader homepage. We wanted to try to help make things as easy to navigate for you as possible, since we have to do this online. So always look for the blue link on your Wandu Reader challenges to take you to the YouTube video, and then look in the descriptions and comments of the YouTube video itself for the link to take you back into your Wandu Reader account. Now, our special program videos, they all will be on YouTube, and I love my little animations here. They were so much fun to make. They will be about 20 to 30 minutes long. They're for kids and there's ones for adults. There are special activities such as meditation to help clear your mind for the new year. And then also the Aurora coloring crafts, and there's a really awesome polar bear craft Miss Cindy came up with. I can't wait to do that one. And keep in mind, all of those will have a special grab bag kit you can pick up at the library. Those grab bag kits will be available the day the video airs at the library. So watch for the video date, and that's the date you can pick up your grab bag kit for that particular video at the library. Now, included in with Winter Reading Online, you will also be challenged to watch our special video programs. Now, we're not going to challenge the adults to watch story time. They will be age specific, but our regular video programming includes story times, some teen programs, and also some adult crafting. So watch for those in your Wandu Reader list of challenges, and they will work the same way as the special video programs. There will be a link on your Wandu Reader for that challenge to take you to that specific video on YouTube. And then in the YouTube video, there will be a link to return you to your Wandu Reader account. Now, you definitely want to make sure you always complete your challenges. Just clicking on the challenge on your Wandu Reader and then doing the craft or watching the video doesn't mark it completed. You do have to make sure you hit that button, Complete Challenge. This is why we link the YouTube videos back to Wandu Reader. So after you've watched a video program, make sure you do go back to Wandu Reader and click Complete Challenge. Clicking that Complete Challenge button is what makes sure you get your prize awards given to you. When you click Complete Challenge, you'll know it went through because you'll get this fun little box that says you won a prize, and it says you have received 1 ticket awarded to you. Also, in your Wandu Reader account, there's a tab called Awards or Tickets. If you used to participate in our summer reading and winter reading programs in past years, we always did all of this in person at the library. You would have to come into the library to complete challenges and come into the library to collect physical tickets that you would write your name and phone number on. Well, due to our current times, we can't do it that way. So all of your tickets or awards are awarded to you through the Wandu program online. So Wandu Reader calls them awards, but I always put in that little AKA tickets for those of you who are used to our old system. Awards, tickets, they are both the same exact thing. And a little bit more about the awards or AKA tickets. There are no physical tickets to fill out and turn in. It's all strictly done online. So you do not have to put any type of tickets into a raffle drawing basket or anything. They are redeemed electronically. So like whenever you click on create or complete challenge and it says you won a prize, you just redeemed your ticket. It was put in that prize drawing basket for you. And at the end of the program, the library staff use the Wandu software to generate lists and to create the raffle drawing for the prizes. The prize winners of these programs this winter will be drawn on Monday, January 4th, and winners will be called or emailed, whatever your contact preference is in your account, and announced on social media. Now let's see what the prizes are. For the Children's Winter Reading Online program, there will be 1 prize basket, and that prize basket will include the Affirmerators, which is a set of 50 positive affirmation cards with some fun characters and cartoon images, stuff for the kids to read and go through to help keep a clear, focused mind in these hard times. In the center picture there, they will receive a 4-piece wall art set, 4 different pieces of artwork of the Northern Lights. And then also on the right, there is a Aurora Master. It is a light that shines and shimmers, lights like the Aurora Borealis into your room. I tried to pick a good background animation as you see the lights moving. That's pretty much what it looks like, what will be shining around in your bedroom. Then there will be one adult and teen program prize basket, and that will include a book, The Year of Positive Thinking, daily inspirational wisdom and courage quotes. So every single day you have a new positive affirmation to get you through. Then there is also a wall tapestry, which is similar to like a blanket or a large cloth, and it is of the Aurora Borealis. Anything to really just make your room a tranquil, relaxing environment. And then the photo on the right is a 3-piece set of flameless candles that come with a remote. What you do is you put batteries in them and use the remote to turn them on, off, change the light or the color changing speed, and even change the colors. As you are going through the program this year, at any time, don't hesitate to call the library with questions. Our staff are trained on how to use the Wandu Reader system and how to help you with getting your awards awarded to you, making sure that you're awarded for all the challenges you complete, help guide you through completing those challenges, and also any other questions you might have or problems you may have, such as logging in. Phone number for the library is 330-875-1696. And again, don't hesitate to call. One of our staff will be happy to assist you.